Team 2 was able to work alongside the OSA conservation team in helping track and monitor population size of different species throughout trap cams. Located in Costa Rica, it is home to 5% of the world's counted biodiversity. The OSA conservation area is located on the peninsula, which is home to 2.5 of Costa Rica's biodiversity. OSA conservation team's mission is to conserve the globally significant biological diversity of the OSA Peninsula. They sustain the environment for the indigenous animals. With the help of Juan Carlos, a graduate student at UMass, we were able to identify and categorize different species of mammals in the jungle. We selected this volunteer opportunity to help endangered animals as well as become more associated with different species of animals from around the world. It was an amazing opportunity to be able to help and learn about wildlife in different areas from just our computers.
Our team came across quite a bit of animal as well as human activity on the camera. From our findings, human and animal activity around the trap cams were about the same. The camera was able to capture beautiful shots of a puma and an ocelot from the feline family. We also were able to see a family of coyotes move across the camera. We tracked and booked our information onto a spreadsheet, which the OSA conservation team will put into their database. We expected this project to be focused entirely on footage and photos of jaguars, but by the time we finished, we were able to identify 5 different species of big cats, although only 3 were captured on our trap cam that we were assigned to. One reason we didn't see all the species may be because of their dwindling numbers. Even the locals believe that there is a reason that measures need to be taken to conserve species in the OSA Peninsula. According to Grace Wong, a biology conservationist from the University of Massachusetts Amherst, surveys indicate that 58% of 15 communities believe that in 1993 there were more wild animals than in 2008. They believe that deforestation, poaching, and gold mining are the main activities negatively affecting the wildlife species on the OSA Peninsula.
This project was an eye-opening experience for us in a lot of ways. Not only did we learn about jaguars, their territory, prey, and how to identify them, we also learned about the landscape and the biodiversity in Costa Rica and the Osa Peninsula in particular. This project was quite different from what we had expected. We initially thought that we would be looking at mostly photos and footage of jaguars, but due to their rarity in comparison to the other large cat species in the peninsula, we never actually got to see one. We didn't realize we would get to learn so much about jaguars by learning about the species that surround them. Even though we didn't get to see a jaguar as we had hoped, this has been an incredibly rewarding experience for us. It's amazing to know that we get to make a difference and help to conserve such beautiful and diverse species just by working from our computers thousands of miles away. Civic engagement is so important in sustainable living because it is up to us to make changes that will sustain our planet and its wildlife. Humans are responsible for destruction of habitat, poaching, and most other things that contribute to animal population numbers declining, so it's our responsibility to help fix the issues that we've created.